Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up always on display on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. Always on display isn't natively supported on this phone, but you can enable it through an app that you can download in Play Store, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. First go to Play Store, then go to search and search for Movies Edge. Then install this app. And after a while, when the app's been installed, you can click on Open, then click on Draw over Apps. Now you'll need to select Movies Edge and allow it to display over other apps. Now you can go back into the app and you can go into AOD tab, which means always on display. So let's go to the app, always on display here, and now you can select a screen that you like. I'm gonna select this one. You can edit it by clicking on edit, or I'm gonna just quickly press on apply, and now it's applied. So when I lock my screen, you can see that it displays this always on display screen, and I can unlock my phone like that, and when I shut it down again, it displays always on display. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.